guy. Lazy guy. Moving around with his phone. Meanwhile, I'm the pleb that has to move around my camera myself.
Hey, that's poor style right there.
I got the poverty spec, man. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. We're at this, what is it called? Ripples event? Yeah. We're at this Ripples car show here in Sacramento. I'm here with Remar once again.
Hello, sorry.
And we're gonna check out a couple of these cars. A couple of them just rolled in right now, so we're gonna take a closer look, see what they look like when they're all parked in. So let's take a look. We've seen this little guy before.
Got this wide body. I think it's a GTI. That's a fat wing.
Big old wing. Got an RX-7 here, rotary engine, of course. I love this wagon, looking clean. These are clean DS2s.
Sorry guys, we gotta order 3.
Of course, the GTR. We've seen this little guy before. Hi! Little puppies. Got a blower on this Civic here. Looking clean. Looking good. Very clean, man.
Thank you.
Like, you could tell when their wife or their girlfriend does not want to be here. Like, they're just laying in the car or just hanging out. What you got there, Alan?
Just some Hot Wheels.
Some Hot Wheels?
My pastime.
You like me a good V10. Got love for the E36.
Dang, I just realized how low yours is.
And mine's pretty low, I know, huh? Yeah, I am curious though. I do want to see. I always like to compare. Yeah, mine is pretty low, huh?
Yeah. And his interior is not falling apart like yours.
Yeah, my interior is literally like falling apart. Yeah, the interior on this one's a lot nicer than mine, but we're gonna do door cards. We're doing door cards. May I? Oh,
yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Wow. Oh my God. It's very roomy in here.
You never believe it's that big.
Yeah, no, this is amazing. Check this out, guys. It's a 72.
It has air conditioning.
Wow.
Heated seats.
That's amazing. Yeah.
You got these little speakers back in 72, but this really nice, good speaker. And you look through here, you can see how retro it is. It's like 1970.
Yeah. That's awesome. So we just got done talking to Jim at Affinity Performance. He let me actually sit in his car, which was pretty dope. This is my first time ever. That was a Z, right? What was that? 240? It was a 240Z. It was a 1972. So that's actually very spacious in there. And it was a no compromise build. It had air conditioning, RB25 motor in there too. So really sick, really cool guy. Check him out if you're in the Rancho area. Affinity Performance. Got a Laguna Seca Blue E46 wide bodied. Very nice. Clean 300ZX. Check this out.
really great. I thought
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the Ripples car show. We're pretty much done with the Ripples car show. Got a lot of good footage. This is going to be a really short video. I wish we could talk more and talk about more of the cars, but there's a lot of music playing in the background, so I'm not trying to get a copyright strike. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and you guys take care. Remember, respect your elders. Peace. Bye!